So if we move the noise sensors around to various points of contact on the cylinder head, we can watch the amplitude of the spikes in any place that we have that sensor and watch for anomalies, aka large spikes in voltage output of the noise sensor. So in this way, we are able to confirm that in fact the vacuum pump is the root cause of this noise. So just wanted to say thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Clearly you can see that the TOPDON oscilloscope is highly useful for pinpointing the nature of specific faults, including things such as noises coming from an engine compartment. Some simple basic noise sensors and our oscilloscope combined with a little bit of know-how as well as, of course, the use of the TSB, we can confirm that in fact the vacuum pump is the root cause of this tapping sound that the customer is concerned about.